Namaskaram, Patakji. Tomorrow we have a meeting with the DrGBK Rao.
Yeah.
DrGBK, I don't know whether he joined.
In name.
Yeah, DrGBK.
Namaskaram.
Meanwhile, for tomorrow's meeting, I requested Dr. Pramod Pathak also to join.
Tomorrow what time?
Tomorrow when I am coming, he will also join me.
Oh, very good.
He is a very senior professor retired from. Yeah, Pramod ji,
Namaskar, Pramodji.
I was with the IIT for 30 years,
Wonderful, wonderful.
and before that, I was with Banaras Hindu University as a professor of management. So,
Excellent.
she is an old friend of mine, so he told me that he is going to meet you. I said, let me join you.
Yeah.
So that is
Most
how
welcome, most welcome.
it has worked.
This is what we want to make sure that our planet, to safeguard the planet, what is the required individual health and 84 lakhs beings to be for their health and
Yeah.
mother
Yeah,
health.
yeah, right.
We have to do something like we may call biodiversity, we may call food health, name me whatever is there. Ultimately, we have to safeguard our mother earth planet.
Yes.
So that is a course which is required. There is no question of the commerce man or mathematics or physician is not the only environmentalist only to learn this. Every human being must learn to safeguard this. That is our main focus through herbal, medicinal, aromatic plants and energy saving. Unnecessarily, we are going, energy which is come from the ultimately it is a global warming. It turns to global warming. How to reduce energy? Right.
yeah, Pramod ji, Dr. GBK has got a huge project on biodiversity, eco-balancing, Ayurvedic, herbal, and it is a center of, it itself is a great university with a variety of activities under him.
Right.
So we had a few meetings whether why not to establish a university for that purpose, specifically for that purpose.
Right. That's a good idea. Very good idea.
Being in academics, you are here in Hyderabad, I thought why not to invite you.
No, it will be a great pleasure to meet.
Yeah. He has got 1,000 acres of land there.
Okay.
Okay. And it's a center for most of them. Today he has got more than around 100 principals of all the schools joining to his place. Physically.
Very.
We are 215. We are plantation and also guided tour is there. 2:15. I have to around 2 o'clock. I have to get almost at least by 2. I have to be free. DrTPS.
Yeah.
By 2:05.
Yeah. I think the major person who require your direct help to ask is Justin. Justin is from Namibia. So she wanted to have training for at least 4 or 5 people in India where she can duplicate the herbal medicines in her place.
Wonderful.
So
These all the type of plants which are like,
Yeah.
we have lot of plants we have become endangered, like Mudha Sanjivani, Sandanakarani, Visalakarani, Suvarnakarani, all this lost.
And
At least
what she wanted is, see, you cannot expect African people to be more of universal thinking and all that. They are looking for a business project where you can utilize the land and manpower and see that it is established there for our business also.
this to be used as a food, food is the medicine.
Yes.
That's the basic, all these herbs. It is indirectly, it also removes all mosquitoes, which are in the Africa and all the full of mosquitoes. And also at the same time, you can have like a herbal drink, that is, which is a kashayam. We call the kashayams, which is herbal. It is at the same time the farmers will grow, farmers will become rich when they are doing without chemical fertilizers and chemical pesticides. The environment is protected. So all round it becomes like a from vicious circle to the the healthy circle.
Yeah.
That is what.
Sir, Justin, you could ask a specific questions to Dr. GBK Rao. Justin and my sister.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, doctor. Good morning, Dr. DrGBK.
Yeah, good morning, good morning. How are you?
Thank you, doctor. Nice to meet you.
Great pleasure. You can ask me what really you want to, what is really keen on the subject of the herbal medicinal plants, what exactly you want. There are two types. One is environment protected and combined with as a food also. That is like a mosquito free. You can specific your interest, you can tell me.
For us, we don't know which one is good because we just read it and we start to. We don't know even which one is the best, but we just because we have our program that we want to start here, the whole Africa, and they choose me to be represent for youth and children in the whole Africa. Now we want to bring this program in the whole youth of Africa in agriculture. We focus most of us. We want to focus on the on herbal, but we don't know now which one is the best for Africa. We don't know unless we saw all. You said that you sent me to read. Maybe you send me something to read so that I can choose because I don't know this one is the best.
Yes, Africa itself is a baobab. These are plenty baobab. You know the baobab, the 8,000 years, right? There is someone. Can you ask others to mute so that it will not disturb. So all others mute it and her name is Justin. Justin, your country has got the wonderful plants which we call them kalprokshas. Actually, the origin is from India, but somehow they said this African plant is a baobab. That is a kalproksha we call Brahma Amlika. See, that seed oil is the costliest seed oil on the planet. And the pulp is also the costliest pulp. People have no idea the importance of that, and you don't need water to grow that plant. It produces, it brings water into that 125,000 liters. Once it becomes 1,000, 2,000 years, and that fruit juice is the best juice on the planet. So some of them, what you have to explore first. That is one which I like to talk about, the baobab tree and other items where the mosquitoes. Your South Africa is full of mosquitoes. I don't know your place, but all over the world, that is where the poor countries are facing that type of mosquito repellent plant. Those plants you can use as a herbal tea, herbal juices, and also the farmer to grow and not only for your country and also for export. A lot of things which are there is locations you have to tell that the climatic zones, what you are asking, whether they have the water, whether the soil. These are all things which is needed. What type of soil you have, what type of arrangement of the water, and whether drip system. Can you make arrangement of drip system? Like that, basic information required from you, the location point of view, and what are the plants which are available in your place. that is like a baobab which I told you. That itself is the biggest earning capacity you can get, not only for your health, and also the whole country is instead of imli, that is you must use this bulb of this baobab tree bulb. I like to know number of varieties what you have. Do you have the date palms? Do you have, is it date palms also is very important, and also the nira. You can take the nira if you are not getting the right the dates. Some of the basic information required from you. What best can be, give it accordingly. Accordingly, those family plants we can grow there without much expensive. So we don't expect anything that is chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides. This is our main mission. If we are already using chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides, the areas, how to remove these toxins from the soil. That is also our main focus. Arsenic, lead, mercury, these are all very dangerous for the plants. From the plants what it produces, it also affects our health. So it's not that we how long you are using the chemical fertilizers, pesticides, that area where you want to grow. So you can send me through mail. Mine is DrGBK. My name is GBK Rao. Say just DrGBK at gmail.com. DrGBK at gmail.com. Rao, R-A-O, B for word, B for Bombay, K for king. So DrGBK at gmail.com. Let's have some correspondence through mail so that anyone which would like to know about the plants, whether you want the health point of view, or you want for the environment point of view, or you want the food point of view, number of areas where you are specifically interested. That it will help me to bring such material, the plants from India. Basically, I need from your side what plants you are all around you, like Baba.
Okay. Thank you.
And the climate you have to give me, the climate, the seasons, how when it rains, if it rains, what is the minimum rainfall, what season, this all is important.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. GBK.
Nice. It's great.
I will do so.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Wonderful.
it's good. Now we have Manish from Nepal. Manish ji? Yeah. We have Dr. GBK here. He may have to leave in few minutes. So Manish is from Nepal. He is a chemist. He is interested in getting experiments on the herbal medicines and such things, and he is now undergoing a training with the UK experts. Manish.
Namaskaram. Namaskaram, sir. And we have a culture of doing namaskar either in Nepal or India. So I'm very happy.
It was India only. Now it's changed to Nepal. So we are all Indians. Once upon a time.
रोटी बेटी का संबंध वैसे भी सर बहुत अच्छा ही लगेगा हम लोग को. सर जी मेरा कहना ये था सर
Manish, we have some people from Africa also. Use English.
Sure, sir. My point of view is that, sir, Nepal is an agricultural country, and lot of the recently you had said the soil or the climates and the water, because in our country also a lot of the water, maximum water resources is in the plain area from 60 meter to 610 meter. But the maximum herbal,
I couldn't get it. 60?
I will say that lot of the alluvial soils and the water restoration is in the Tarai area, plain area, having the 60 meter altitude to the 610 meter altitude. And lot of the, so my plan and I have a team who like to have a research. So in Hyderabad, there are some of the plants which can favor our condition, our Tarai condition, our climate zone. Is it possible, sir? And if it is possible, then can we grow some medicinal herbs as well, or have a high nutritional value of plant or agriculture? Because in my area, the person have a fund only to the agriculture of either maize, wheat, or paddy. But I think to the research mean, to the analysis mean, we can divert some more farming areas from where farmer can also increase the income, and we will do the indigenous method of packaging of that medicine as well. Indigenous method of packaging, isn't it? And we can reach the market as well. So and my team is also very interested toward the research, and I have got a scholarship as well of having the research from the UK now.
Right. Mr. Manish, the consumption pattern is to be changed. Our consumption, rice and wheat, it consumes a huge water. Instead of that, going for millet. Certainly, that is what the World Health Organization also wanted, that change from rice to millet. So millet requires only 300 liters per kg to get on the table, whereas the rice and wheat requires 8,000 to 12,000 liters per kg. Similarly, there is another where we are consuming used water, 28,000 liters per kg of sugarcane sugar to get on the table, whereas the palms, you put the palm jaggery, we don't need any water to the palms. This is a petrol, that is a glucose. So changing these two itself is a big boom to the health point of view, and also the future generation, which they keep health. Then instead of taking coffee tea, we can go for the all herbal decoctions, that which is gives you health, and this corona, COVID-19, all this been avoided. Means that those will not affect you consuming these herbal decoctions. Not only COVID, any type of corona, which they are giving so many names, you don't need to have any problem immunity system, that is called immunity boosters. The fourth, of course, instead of refined oils, you must go for the cold press oils. These are the things, the future market, the big market, not only for your health, the planet health, and also to the environment to protect. So some of the herbs which are very important to grow, because that is brings the mosquito free at the same time environment, which it protects by way of the sugandhim pushtivardhan. We call the aromatherapy. The aroma which is very important. Some of the trees, when they grow all around the trees, they will get more vibrant, and such trees which is like king of the king, that is we call religious people tree, like some of them the plants we call sacred vanams. Those sacred vanams which are the kalprokshas we call, like harichandanam, mandaram, kalpakam, santanam, parijyatam, maredu, kadambadi, kadambanavasi. These are all the plants which been given by Sushruta, who is the great the plants kingdom, how to convert into the health point of view, disease point of view. Around 55 diseases, he has given each disease 10 plants. That is 550 out of 550, 100 will be common for the total 550 diseases. That's 450. If any country is having these 450 plants, then no disease will come into that country. That means major 55 diseases are prevailing all over the world. These plants which we grow there, these plants we can certainly contribute to the whole world. It is not that today the Vedas have been told, or the Upanishads have been told, or the Naimisharanyam, that is where our whole country learned before Mahabhagavatam. This very people are interested. If there is a will, there is a way to come out of this vicious circle. Certainly, we are interested to train people and give the material which is required for the planet to safeguard the Mother Earth and our health and 84 lakhs living beings on the planet.
I think he had said a lot of the stanza he had spoken, and I am very happy. And he had talked about the environmental point of view, medical point of view, and a lot of the diseases of having in the world, and which can be cured just by the local plants.
Yes.
And farmer or the local people must have the knowledge to cultivate such plant in their locality or in their farming land, and from that we can also conserve the water resources and the Pancha Mahabhut as well, which is the very important factors of the earth and the daily life. No, sir, I am interested, as per your say, we must focus on the variety of crops rather than the quantity of crops, isn't it, sir?
Yes, yes. All the needed, whatever is varieties will be there, according to the local, what you said, local, maybe today they are disappeared. It doesn't mean that, any other plant, whatever the plant is, suits that soil and gives the result that is the yield and taste and other parameters required for health point of view. We have to try the plants which are according to, we can also have the common sense, we can find some of the species what they're growing that place. We easily identify these other plants also can grow there. So absolutely the varieties will come. Panchbhutas, every element that is like, we have temples there like Rudralingam, Ekambareshwar, Kanchi, Kamakti, there the mango tree is the element of carbon, that is earth. The Jalingam, Jambukeshwar, Aklandeshwar, Jamun tree, that is called the nitrogen, then only H2O comes. Vailingam, Sri Kalastesa, Gan, Prasunama, that is Dhruvi, the ficus. Like that, the five element, five plants are there. We used to have that like avenue trees for all the roads, so that in an imbalance of these five elements, it balances. It doesn't mean that you have to consume the plant material. You are just go around the plants, like the forest where the elephants and rabbits, they are healthy just because they move around the plants. They get that vibration that is called aroma, that is called aura, which it gives the people. It doesn't mean that you have to consume the plant material. So if I say the tulsi, the basil, that is, you take directly, you will get the medicinal value 50%. When you put in the water 75% of the value comes into the medicinal value. Then if you do projection, means that move around that, in clockwise direction 3 times, 4 times, 10 times, all that aura, what the plant is there, the aura is nothing but the energy is transposed to you. So these type of plants growing itself, it makes a lot of difference, your environment, your health point of view.
Sir, then I have a few more questions, sir. If I share you my the climatic zone, water level, soil quality, yeah, then
also the plants want around you, they are growing. That is very important.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Then by sharing you the plant growing, water resources, climate zone, temperature,
Right.
environmental properties, then
Is it being used for since how long? Chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides. That also makes a lot of difference to eradicate that arsenic, lead, mercury, the soil, to protect the soil, to bring back the original soil. We need the treatment.
Then you mean to say that, sir, we have to taste the soil. At first we have to do the taste of soil, and secondly we have to do the redimentation of that soil. Redimentation means to carry out all the chemical natures from that soil.
You can give it to the chemical lab, any arsenic, lead, mercury, Pb, all those elements. So, what extent it is available in the soil if we are already used heavily the chemical fertilizers and pesticides, that you can test it for the sake of to know what is outside.
Yeah, then sir, can we treat that soil easily from local resources to carry out all the chemical nature? Is it possible by using local resources?
For everything there is answer. There is no, every problem there is a solution. You don't worry about it. We can treat. It depends upon the what extent, how long it is going to take. Certainly, you can eradicate this whatever the poisonous elements in the soil.
Sure, sir. A lot of thanks, sir, for having such a knowledge and a wonderful talk, sir. A lot of thanks, sir. And for more information, sir, I will convene you, sir. A lot of thanks, Dr. TP, sir.
Yeah. Anybody has got any very specific questions? We have from Zambia, Brother Uganda is there.
Yes, Doc.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Yes, we are together. I'm following the conversation.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Doc. And now is everyone.
Listen there. Your good name, please?
Yes, this is Maya from Zambia. I've just joined a bit late, but I'm catching up with the conversation. Thank you.
Welcome. Any question?
No, at the moment, I don't have any question, but I'll come in as soon as I'm ready.
What is that?
Yeah, he will come back. He will come back. He had a conversation with me. Most of the names which you are using, he is not able to relate because we are not using the botanical name which they may be able to capture very fast.
All the names which the country to country, even pronunciation, also the botanical name, may not be that easy. That's why always we have to have the correspondent.
I remember last time when Justina was telling, I was showing the books and then showing the pictures to show that, oh, this is what you are using. And then we found that Justin cultivates a lot of millet. Because millet is a normal staple food in her part of the land.
Yes.
So
any poor soil also it comes. We don't need any fertilizers much for that.
Yeah. So we will have a dictionary of translations, what we use and what are the botanical terms. I'm already in the plan of preparing it and half done job.
Like the important, like the Somalata, we call that is Sanskrit. That is moon creeper, that is called Somavalli, then Kondapala, Soma, then Sarcostima acida, like that, the botanical. You put it in the Google, today the Google is such a wonderful, you put the name whichever the language, you will get all the materials. We don't need any help from anyone today. Any language you want, the name, once you put it in the Google, you will get.
And there are beautiful lectures from DrGBK himself with a PowerPoint with the pictures, descriptions which are available on YouTube. I will share those things also to you for learning better. Yeah, that's for today. So
just 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I have to, in 2 minutes, anyone?
Yeah, I think we have Eli Kimara joined. He himself is an agriculturalist. He has got a lot of expertise in farming. He was there in, he came to Hyderabad long back for getting training under our great university here, the international place where, yeah, Kimaro, you want to add? He is in the field now. So he told me he will join from the field.
Welcome.
He was there in Ingrisat some time back to get a training.
Namaste.
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 Namaskar. Please tell me.
Okay, I'm Elbat. I'm Elbat tomorrow. from Tanzania.
Tanzania. Welcome, Tanzania.
Yeah, I'm at field work. Yeah, I'm at field work. Today we'll talk about the youth. Is right?
Yeah.
Greetings, members.
Yeah, how to involve the youth for making Africa more fertile, more productive. This is what we are looking at. Yeah, Thomas, you could.
Greetings, everyone.
Thomas could speak. Yes, Thomas. Welcome. Yeah.
Speak.
Yes, this is Thomas from Zambia. Actually talking to Mr. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Kimaro, your network is bad. I think it is getting disconnected. So maybe Thomas could speak.
Yes, I was talking to Mr. Eugene Mulea, who was supposed to be the moderator for the meeting, I'm told.
So I'll take with you, DrTPS.
Yes. Yes.
Namaskar.
So see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, DrGBK.
Yeah, see you. Welcome.
Oh, okay. The meeting is done?
No.
Okay,
Only
you go ahead. I'm leaving. I have some other program. Thank you.
Okay.
Dr. GBK has got some meetings, so he left.